Hi, Paul. Congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for your many years of service to Luther College High School. I wish you a retirement full of relaxation and rest. All the best.
Hi, Paul. Just wanted to congratulate you on your retirement. Well deserved. I appreciate all the time and effort that went into helping me and the art students hang many, many panels, take them down, put them back up again, like the ones you see in the background. So kudos to you and thanks for all your kindness and help during your time at Luther. Take care, man.
Bye, Paul. Enjoy your retirement. We'll miss you.
Oh man, I wish I had a wrench. Thanks, Paul.
Congratulations on your well-deserved retirements. Best wishes and thanks for all that you've contributed to Luther over these many years. Take care.
Hi, Paul. Congrats on your retirement. Thanks for everything you've done for us over the years, and I wish you all the hot coffees and sleep-ins in the world. All the best.
Hi, Paul. I'm going to miss our daily meetings in the hallway, and I wish you the best on your retirement.
Oh man, I wish I had a hammer. Oh, thanks, Paul.
Hi, Paul. Thanks for everything you do around Luther, and best of luck in your retirement.
Hi, Paul. Just wanted to say how much I've appreciated you the last couple of years that I've gotten to know you a little bit. You're always such a cheerful person and so friendly, and that sure makes my day and my interactions with you. All your willingness to help out, especially recently with me trying to do that volleyball board in the gym. You were always ready to help and step up, and you're just so gracious and do your work quietly and just have a positive spirit about you all the time. I wish that I could have spent more time with you, but I hope that you have a great retirement, and we'll miss you a lot. Thanks, Paul.
Happy retirement, Paul. We're so excited for you in this new phase of your life. Thank you for your hard work and all the things that you've done around Luther to make it a great place to work. We appreciate you.
Hey, Paul. I wanted just to wish you well on your retirement. Thank you for all of the work that you do at our school, and you'll be sorely missed. So have a great retirement, and hope to see you around. Take care, buddy.
These handles are always loose, and I never have a screwdriver. Hey, thanks, Paul.
Hey, Paul. Just wanted to wish you a happy retirement. Good luck, and thanks for all the help that you've given me over the last couple of years with organizing our offices and getting all the extra stuff that we need to help support our group. So I really appreciate it, and I wish you the best of luck.
Hi, Paul. Wendy asked us to send a little clip for your goodbye. I just wanted to say thanks for everything. It's been a great run. We really will miss you. It was nice to know that if we needed something done, we could call you and it would get done and get done well. You will be missed, and we will miss your talks and all the expertise that you gave us in the office. Please take care and enjoy your retirement.
Paul, beyond the skill you bring and your ability to fix almost anything that I'm sure the school and the building will miss, what I'll miss is how kind you always were, how generous you were with conversation, and just, yeah, you're such a pleasant person, and your presence on the campus will surely be missed. All the best in retirement, and good luck with the basement reno.
Congratulations on your retirement. Hope you have a blessed time, and that you enjoy the fruits of your labor after these many long years. All the best to you.
Goodbye, Paul. Thanks for all you've done for Luther, especially behind the scenes. In particular, thank you for making sure that room 115 had heat in some of the coldest months of the year. This meant that I could do my job and the students in turn could do their job. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best. Take care. Bye-bye.
Oh man, this desktop is loose again. I wish I had a number 17 closed wrench. Would fix it right. Huh? Thank you, Paul. Appreciate that.
Hi, Paul. I'm glad that I ran into you that one last day that I was in school. to say goodbye and congratulations on your retirement. But officially, congratulations on your retirement. And just so that you know, I'm really going to miss your amazing MacGyvering skills on fixing things up and making life run smoothly at Luther. So enjoy your retirement and you'll be missed.
Paul, I want to thank you as well, and I want to thank you for how you were just able to drop everything anytime and just be able to service us here at Luther. I wish you the best of luck. Thanks.
Thank you for meeting me every morning with my scooter and taking my crutches and having the elevator ready. And you just put a smile on my face every single morning. And I am so thankful that I got to spend a few extra minutes with you this last semester. I wish you nothing but the best in your retirement. And I hope if you do head out east that you just find that time super fulfilling. Congratulations and all the best, Paul.
Hi. First time I met Paul Dickson was actually out on the football field right here on this spot right here. I'm going to point to it right behind me. This little green patch right here. First time I met him, he's like, "Hey, do you want to come and hold on to my foot while I reach down into this hole to try and fix this leak?" I'm not kidding. There was a leak. There was a hole 5 feet deep here, 3 or 4 feet deep, and he's diving head first into muddy water trying to attach a hose together to start to be able to water our field. Paul, that's going way beyond or below or whatever. We're going to miss you a lot, okay? Good luck with everything. And again, thank you for everything you've ever done for us, for the school, and for our kids and everybody. Take care.
Hi, Paul. I wanted to wish you a very happy retirement and thank you for all the times that you helped me, especially in keeping the room and the projects I was working on, keeping them on pace and supplying me with tools and supplies and knowledge. I really appreciate that. And I wish you all the best as you move into another chapter of your life.
Hi, Paul. I don't know what I would have done without you with facility rentals and staff events over the past 2 years. Working with you has been an absolute privilege and pleasure. Your wisdom and experience were invaluable in helping me organize and plan events. Your cheerfulness, patience, and kindness meant everything would be okay, no matter how many unexpected hiccups came our way. Your work ethic, diligence, and dependability meant every event was better than it was ever supposed to be. Paul, thank you for being a colleague who could be counted on for anything at any time and for any reason. I will miss you. May God richly bless you and Donna with a very long, happy, and healthy retirement. Please stay in touch.
Hi, Paul. I'm very pleased to be able to use this forum to thank you for everything that you have been and done at Luther College. I've always admired people like you who know how to fix things and have a sense of how to make things work and can use the right tool and so on. What I really admired about you is the good cheer that you do it, even when I know that you were injured with your arm. You just got things done, and I know that I've heard only great things about you from Mark Duke and Mark Anderson about various things you have done around the college. You really were a huge inspiration in terms of how you did it with such good cheer, and I know that you did a lot of really great work. I'm sorry that you're leaving, but it is time for you to move on, I guess. I hope you have a great retirement and that things go well for you, that you get to do what you want to do. Relax. I hope that arm is feeling better these days. And thanks again for everything you've done. Okay? Bye-bye.
Paul, you will be missed. You brought such a warm and friendly personality to your work every day. It was always a pleasure to run into you, and whether it's a casual conversation in the hallway about how things are going,
or whether it's about things that need to get done around the school. I so appreciated how you always made it a priority when something needed to be done right away to get to it and to make sure it was taken care of. That kind of consideration and willingness to be cooperative on your part is so much part of the Luther spirit, and it'll be sorely missed. All the best in your retirement. Enjoy.
I have to admit I had mixed emotions when Paul Dickson informed me of his intention to retire this year. On the one hand, it means we're down to 2 Pauls on campus and 3 Marks, allowing the Marks to reestablish their rightful dominance. On the other hand, we're going to miss Paul's knowledge and his helpful attitude. I know he will be sorely missed by many. As we know at Luther, it's not only what you do, but it's how you do it. And Paul, no matter the request, no matter how busy he was, no matter how stressful his day was always polite, cooperative, and helpful when anybody approached him. Paul, we wish you nothing but the best in retirement, health and happiness to you and your family. God bless, and thank you very much for your faithful service to Luther College. Take care.